Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and page. My people, it has been alleged that Chika Ike finally broke silence over the DNA test that Regina Daniel was demanding. Wahala too much. Oh. I thought that Chika Ike said that she wouldn't want anybody to know the father of her child. That Ned is not the father of her child. That every people are prognosing trying to know who is the father of her child. But this time around, according to what we heard allegedly, that she finally breaks the silence because everybody have been waiting for her to come out and say that this is the father of my child. Since she said that Ned is not the father, you know, and we have been waiting for her to say it. But this time, according to how Regina have been dragging her, Regina dragged her so badly, saying that Ned Nwoko, you said that she's not your side chick or you're not planning to marry her. You did not get her pregnant. But we know that you have been with her all this while. You have known her before you even marry me. According to what Regina was saying, you have known her before marrying me. You have been spending money on her. You bought her this, you bought her that. Now, the day she revealed her pregnancy, uh, people started saying that you are the one. Like she herself is not even the one that started saying that thing. It was people who were saying that you are the one that got her pregnant, that the two of you have been together all this while. So why are you now denying the fact that you did not get her pregnant, that the baby is not your own? So Ned Nwoko on his own side was telling Regina that even you also believe what people are saying that I got this woman pregnant. That I did not get her pregnant. And Regina told Ned that if you said that you did not get her pregnant, go and do DNA test. So Regina was waiting for Ned to do DNA test. Ned won't go, although according to what I heard, that when Regina requested for that DNA test, Ned Nwoko told her that DNA test I cannot do. And the Chikaike also said that she is not going to do DNA test. That if you do DNA test, people will know who the father of her child is. But as Regina continued to drag them, because why Regina continued to drag them is that Ned Nwoko did not allow her to see her children. And that one alone got her pissed off. Because when she tried to get her children, Ned Nwoko said no. She sued Ned Nwoko for child custody. So during that time, Ned Nwoko now told the court that Regina cannot take care of her child. So as matter and case were escalating, Regina too told both the court that why would Ned say that she cannot take care of her children, but she had been the one taking care of her children. Now look at Ned that is saying that her life is not good. What about Ned that have 6 wives already and still went out there to get a side chick pregnant? That she's not even seeing Chikaike as a side chick because Ned Nwoko, as we heard, have uh, went in the secret and did court marriage with her. But if you ask Chika, she will say that she's not ready to become anybody's seventh wife. Ned will tell that he's not married to Chika and he's not the one that got her pregnant. So when Regina Daniel was serious about that DNA test and was telling them that if you people said that you don't have anything in common, why are you wasting time to do the DNA test? So the thing was like Chikaike wanted to prove to Regina that she doesn't have anything doing with Ned. So Ned, sorry, Chikaike have come out to tell Regina that, look, I know what you are trying to do. This man, I have known him before you. And you cannot be enjoying yourself and you want to remove my mouth from the breast. that we all are sucking. Guy, this is so serious. Oh. So according to what I heard Regina said, Chikaike said that she have known um, Ned before you, and now that you just come, you want to remove her mouth from the breast she's also sucking. That is to tell you that she is getting more than enough from Ned Nwoko. And the Regina want to come and spoil things for her. That she is going to present the DNA test so that you will see that your husband is not the father to her child. And according to what Chikaike was saying, Chikaike did not go straight to the point by telling us, look at who is the father of her child. She did not present the DNA test. But the way she was going corner, rounding paper tree, hey, no climbing. So, and Regina was like, look at you, cannot even be specific. I thought you have come to review the gender of the the father of your child. Who is the father? Now, why are you saying that I'm removing your mouth from the breast you are sucking? Why would you be sucking my husband? If at all, why would you be sucking my husband's breast? What about your own husband? And Chikaike was like, it's not as if I do not have a husband. That she married before. I think she had married before. And she did not have a child for that man. And she passed through a lot in the man's hand. To the extent that the man beat her, the man did not appreciate her love for him. So that is why she decided to come out of that marriage. Even when she came out, I heard that she told ladies that if you are in such a marriage where you are bullied, you are beaten, you're not appreciated, you're not loved, you better come out because she have seen that some men doesn't want it, you know. What Regina Daniel was like, you're just beating about the bush. I thought you said you want to review the DNA test of your child. And Chikaike ended up telling her that you want me to review the DNA test, the father to my child, Abby, that is not going to happen. And you better mind your business. I've known this man before you. You cannot be sucking your own and would want me to remove my mouth from the breast that we all have been sucking. And Regina Daniel's mother was like, wow, this woman is so serious. Oh. In short, Regina Daniel have been crying because Chikaike is a matured mind to her than Regina. And Chikaike told Regina that you are playing childish play in this matter. You are just being childish. If you want to marry your husband, you marry your husband for who your husband is. You know that this man have married how many wives before now, and you still accept to marry him. Why are you making trouble out of nothing? And for the DNA test, you will never get it. Guys, I was surprised because I have been waiting for Chikaike to review the DNA test. But now, now wow, it's not a small thing. But what I know is that Chikaike is just playing Regina and the Ned. Ned is the one losing. If it is not true that he got Chikaike pregnant, that this child did not belong to him, he's the one losing. And the Regina that ran out of her marriage because of Chikaike and whatsoever is her reason is also the one losing. You know that this man have married how many wives already, and you still accept to marry him. So why are you now running? Running away from the marriage is not the best thing. As Chikaike advised her, you better come back and face your marriage. You accepted to marry this man. Nobody forced you to marry him. So don't go anywhere. This is your burden to bear. Come back and carry your cross. Anyway, guys, when I heard this one, I was like, this chick, Ike, you are so mean. Oh. She have said it that she's not going to review anything. Nobody is going to know the father of her child. And she maintained it. She's serious about it. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for always watching. I know you'll be having itching ear to know who is the father to this chick, I guess, child. But one day, that thing that is hidden will be revealed and we will all know it. Even me, I'm also having itching ear to know who the father is. Thank you. I love you guys. Bye.